Alright guys, mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong road trip reaction video tungkol dito sa ID ng unggoy. Pwede pala gamitin na pangrehistro ng SIM card. Binuking ng palpak na sistema ng telco. Ano ba yan? Nasa nangyayari sa mundo? Nakabahala ang palpak na sistema ng pag-registered ng SIM card sa kahit peke ang gamit na ID, lalo na kahit larawan ng unggoy. Pwede pala mga unggoy, ayan, pwede kayo. At tinanggap ng sistema. Mali ang system pala natin. Pati unggoy pwede parang magparehistro. Naloko na. Pasok guys at panoorin po natin itong reaction video ni Rob Trip. And no other further ado, and let's do this. Please subscribe, Rob Trip.
Yes, Madam Chair, I'm really sorry. Madam Chair, if you're with the telcos and you see this application form of that monkey smiling at you, what the heck are you doing? It's common sense na hindi dapat pagbigyan to dahil hindi ko natin mahuhuli yung mga gumagawa ng kalokohan dito. Buti nga nakangiti po kasi kung hindi baka hindi yung binagbigyan yan. Unang question po, baka pwedeng tingnan nyo po itong mga animal pictures na nakakuha ng na nakapagrehistro kasi mababaliwala po yung batas kung papayagan din po yun. And yes, Madam Chair, I'm really sorry. Madam Chair, if you're with the telcos and you see this application form of that monkey smiling at you, what the heck are you doing? It's common sense na hindi dapat pagbigyan to dahil hindi natin mahuhuli yung mga gumagawa ng kalokohan dito. I am ready to dare our telcos friends here. If you want, let's do it right now. Mag-file tayo ng application kung tatanggapin. Kasi kung tatanggapin, ibali wala po lahat tayo dito, Madam Chair. If our telcos will not cooperate.
Yeah. Yes, good afternoon, Madam Chairperson, Honorable Senators. Tama po yun. Medyo siguro lumulusot nga po yun, ano? Mga features. Kasi nga po, isa sa nga precisely that's the reason why before, when the bill was being deliberated on, we asked to have access to government ID issuers. Para ito query system lang po na sana valid ba tong ID na to o hindi. Iyon po malaking usapin kasi noon. And then isa pa hiling namin sana kung napatupad na fully yung national ID system. Mas madali po yun kasi may biometrics. So yun po talaga ang makapagpigil niyan. So sa ngayon pero yan, dahil fully
pero unggoy yung nasa picture
na hindi po namin nakikita yon kasi diretso po sa system. So, yan ay magiging...
So you think your system is working?
It is working, pero...
It is working that kind of applications?
Yeah, Mr. Senator, kaya nga po magkakaroon ng...
I'm sorry, Madam Chair. Your solution is to pass national ID and it be implemented fully?
That's actually the best practice.
You don't admit that you had a terrible system. I mean, you can see monkey smiling at you and bibigyan mo ng...
As I mentioned, Mr. Senator, we cannot see it because it's a fully automated system. But that's the best practice in all countries that have implemented SIM registration. They have slotted first the national ID before they went into SIM registration.
If you're not admitting that this is working, this is not working well,
Mr. Senator,
po sa taong bayan.
Mr. Senator, I fully admit that SIM registration, actually, I'm very optimistic that this will work. Precisely, the SIM Registration Act provided for a penalty if you provide false or inaccurate information. Doon po mahuhuli yan. So, yan po ang susunod na step. Together with the NTC, magkakaroon po ng post-validation process. So, yun po ang sagot po namin.
Attorney Tubayan, ganito po yung pagkakaintindi ko dun sa sinabi ninyo. That's why you resisted during the crafting of the IRR was because the government wouldn't give you access to the list of the legitimate card holders, di ba? Doon sa mga iba't ibang government agencies na merong ID. Am I correct?
Madam Chairperson, I think it's inaccurate that we resisted. Siguro there were concerns that were put forward, pero eventually po, meron po kaming validation process. Meron pong selfie. Kung sino nagre-register, nagsa-selfie po yan. Tapos meron pong government ID dapat supposedly na i-represent.
So may selfie?
Opo.
So yung selfie ng monkey?
Palagay ko, kung yun ang ginamit nila.
Anyway, ganito lang po. What I'm trying to say is because well, as you said, maybe it was misinterpreted. You didn't really push for not including that biometrics or live facial recognition. It's actually looking like what we have now is not really sufficient. So we will have to go back to the drawing board, and probably with the cooperation of the NTC, ma'am, maybe we can amend the IRR, no?
Ayun. Alright guys, napanood nyo? Ang itong ID ng unggoy pwede gamitin pang rehistro. Naloko na tayo. At maraming salamat. Don't forget to subscribe, Rob Trip, and see us again sa ating next reaction video. And keep safe and healthy. Magpa-register na kayo ng mga unggoy nyo. Okay, thank you guys. And God bless us all.